Now we'll go through the site administrator. When you log in and your credentials are set as a site administrator, you have a couple more options. A staff credentialed login does not have these access opportunities. But as the facility admin, you may need to add new users or adjust any of those custom fields. You could adjust them by selecting here, but we'll add a user. Simply click on Create New User, enter their name, set their role, and you could either stage this as inactive or you can go ahead and set them active now. Select create user, and this will send them an email. It's important that you let them know to look for the email because it does expire for security purposes in 7 days. This email will be sent to the person that you have registered, and all they need to do is click here to set up their account. This will allow them to set their own confidential password, and confirm their password. Select Set Up Account, and it automatically resets their password and brings them in for an entry. Thank you for taking the time to explore EDSafe-T. As a reminder, this is the only software that collects this information for you and allows you to make the case for how to improve better flow in the emergency department. Feel free to give us a call or contact us via the website, and we can answer additional follow-up questions for you.